This is Google Cloud Basics.
Hi, I'm Jason Meers, and this is a series of videos about Google Cloud Basics. They are deliberately short, fast-paced, and occasionally quirky just to keep your attention. They've been designed to work well on mobile devices like tablets and mobile phones so that they can be consumed on the move or when traveling, and are also available as podcasts. And lastly, the legal bit. Although I work for Google, the opinions stated here are my own, not those of my company. I hope you enjoy these and find them useful.